Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your emergency car kit with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video is for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best snow shovels for your car, chosen for their power, safety features, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. First up is the BirdRock Home Extendable. It looks more like a brush than a shovel, but for car owners who care about their paint, this is critical. Standard plastic bristles are notorious for leaving swirl marks on your clear coat. The BirdRock solves this with a massive 13-inch closed-cell foam head. It pushes heavy, wet snow off your roof like a plow, but acts like a squeegee to protect the finish. The reach is the major selling point here. It extends up to 60 inches, which is a lifesaver for trucks or SUVs. Instead of balancing on a slippery door sill to clear a roof rack, you can reach across from the safety of the ground. While the scraper jaws handle ice well, the foam head is the star. Users with dark-colored cars love it for preventing scratches. They also note that it moves heavy cement snow faster than bristles because the snow doesn't get stuck in the head. A quick heads up, lock the length tight before you start swinging it in sub-zero temps. If you want to maintain your car's finish while clearing a blizzard, this is a non-negotiable addition to your kit. Next is the AstroAI 38.4-inch extendable shovel. If you need a dedicated digging tool that balances size with strength, this is our top pick. Most collapsible shovels suffer from cheap plastic hinges that snap under load. AstroAI fixed this by reinforcing the hinge mechanism with high-strength iron, so you can actually put your back into it without the tool snapping. It features a smart 3-piece design that breaks down into a compact bag, vanishing into your truck. When assembled, the aluminum blade is sharp enough to cut through hard-packed plow wash, yet light enough to save your energy. Real-world testing highlights the snap lock buttons. It sounds like a small detail, but these buttons are large enough to operate while wearing thick winter mittens. That matters when it's 10 degrees below zero and you can't feel your fingers. While 38 inches is short for a driveway, the leverage is perfect for digging out a tire or clearing the undercarriage. It's a reliable workhorse.
Number 3 is the BirdRock Home 2-pack shovel. This is the smartest choice for families or multi-car households. This pack lets you outfit 2 vehicles instantly. Built from high-quality aluminum, these have a distinct advantage over plastic. They don't shatter when temps drop. Plastic blades often snap on hidden ice, but aluminum tends to bend rather than break, keeping the tool usable. They fold down remarkably small, roughly the size of a shoebox, making them perfect for compact cars. The blade size is modest. You won't want to shovel a walkway with this, but for emergency extraction or digging out a wheel well, it is the perfect size. Parents often buy these for teenage drivers because the folding mechanism is intuitive, no instructions needed during a panic on the highway. Plus, the bright red color ensures high visibility if you drop it in deep powder. They aren't the longest shovels here, but the durability to size ratio makes them an essential safety upgrade.
At number 4 is the SaaS 4-in-1 shovel. If you need a multitasker, this is the Swiss Army knife solution for your winter drives. This kit combines a snow brush, ice scraper, squeegee, and shovel into one modular system. The genius is the versatility. You can use the brush to clear windows, swap to the shovel head to dig out wheels, and use the squeegee to clean off road spray, all without a cluttered trunk. We really like that the shovel head is reinforced with a metal tip. Plastic edges dull quickly on asphalt, but the metal tip chips away at the ice dams behind your tires much more effectively. Users love the modularity and the solid feel when the pieces click together. However, a common tip is to keep the connection points dry before storing them so they don't freeze together overnight. For pure bang for your buck and covering every winter scenario, the SaaS kit is hard to beat. Finally, at number 5 is the TIROL TIROL 88829 shovel. This is the heavy-duty contender for drivers in regions where extreme cold is normal. The standout feature is the temperature rating. The materials are engineered to withstand temps as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit without becoming brittle. In those extremes, cheap plastic shatters like glass, but the TIROL is built to handle the abuse. It uses a thick aluminum alloy rod that feels reassuringly heavy and doesn't flex under wet snow. The handle also features a soft foam grip. This isn't just for comfort. It insulates your hands from the freezing metal to prevent painful thermal shock if you aren't wearing gloves. This feels more industrial than the others, but that rigidity is exactly what you want when you're high-centered on a snowbag. It's a robust, no-nonsense tool for serious conditions.
And that wraps up the top 5 best snow shovels for your car. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.